In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online store with Shopify using the Dawn theme customization. Whether you're just getting started in e-commerce or looking to refine your online store, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring your setup is both streamlined and visually appealing. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the Shopify admin panel, which is your central hub for managing your store. Once you're in, look for the Online Store option. This is your gateway to customizing the aesthetic and functionality of your site, so go ahead and click on it. After clicking Online Store, you'll see a variety of themes. For our purpose today, we'll be focusing on the Dawn theme, which is known for its clean and flexible layout. Click on Customize next to the Dawn theme to enter the theme editor. This area allows you to tailor the design to reflect your brand's personality. Let's start at the top with the header. Click on Header, and you'll be able to customize everything from your logo to menu items and search bar placement. Remember, your header is critical. It's the first thing visitors see, so make it clear and inviting. Consider uploading a high-resolution logo and ensuring that your navigation is intuitive. Once you're satisfied with the header, move down to the Template section. Click on Template to adjust settings like page layout and typography. Consistency is key here. Choose fonts and layouts that complement your brand and are easy to read. Next, scroll down to the Footer section. Just like the header, click on Footer to modify elements such as contact information, social media icons, and subscription options. The footer provides great opportunities to reinforce brand identity and improve SEO, so don't overlook this area. Now, direct your attention to the gear icon, which is typically located in the bottom left corner of the editor. Clicking this will open additional settings. Here you'll find options like cart customization and payment setup, vital for enhancing customer experience and ensuring smooth transactions. With the core components in place, it's time to look at theme settings. After you click on that, you'll have access to settings that can change your site's color palette, button styles, and typography. Personalize these to match your brand's look and feel, ensuring a cohesive aesthetic throughout your store. Finally, incorporate any necessary app functionality by clicking on App Embed. This feature allows you to add and configure third-party apps that enhance your store's functionality. Whether it's a customer review application or a sales booster, choose apps that align with your business goals to provide a comprehensive shopping experience for your customers. And that's it! By following these steps, you've created a fully customized Shopify store using the Dawn theme. Remember, e-commerce success isn't just about having a great product, it's also about creating a shopping environment that attracts, informs, and retains customers. Keep fine-tuning your store as you go, and soon enough, your Shopify site will be a true reflection of your brand's vision.